fuck. We got a cameraman ready to go. We got this crinkle-dinkle.
Hi, crinkle-dink. I should move out.
Sometimes you just gotta survive. God damn it, quick! Nailed it.
You want to grab that shoe?
He lost the shoe.
Oh shit, that is in there.
Stone up. Oh.
Thank you, friend.
Just pretend it's like Oreos on the edge. Oh, you won't.
Yeah, you bet.
You gonna wear that?
It's a wet shoe, you know? Wet shoes.
He didn't make it.
We made it over the river. We're on our way.
Little hand drying.
Okay, on to. Hey, wait, hold up.
Yeah. You know, there's 100 different easier ways to do this.
Dude, I think I found the house. We found the. We gotta cross again. See, we got. Ooh, I think there's like a sponsored by Target or some shit. Let's see if this is stable. Oh, that's. Look how stable that is.
It's not stable at all.
Very stable.
Yeah.
I'm using new shoes anyways.
Oh, you got a little drip on that.
My boy Quack does the dip.
You got a little dip on that. All right, rickety dickety do.
Dickory dog. Vine suck on my cock.
Good one. Do you even know how he did it? How's it? I heard it crunch.
Yeah, me too.
Try using your wet shoe, so then if that gets wet, you don't even have to worry about it because it's already wet. Stabilize. Oh, oh. What's this boy doing? Try shoving that into the dirt.